Good morning. Welcome to your daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions across the region currently, seeing those skies clear out nicely and mostly sunny skies across the region as of 10 a.m. We'll see some cloud cover move in this afternoon in the form of some low-level cloud cover and possibly even seeing some mist or some patchy drizzle for later this afternoon in the evening hours. But overall for today, we'll see winds below 25 knots, chance of precipitation will be limited, and we'll see in general good conditions, but a little bit cloudier, and as well seeing some cooler conditions once those low clouds do move in for later today. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, an area low pressure moving off the coast currently. That's going to provide us with some low clouds rotating around that, and then we'll have high pressure building in for tomorrow. And taking a look at our satellite imagery, you can see those low clouds currently north and west of our region. They'll be continuing to slide down the peninsula and giving us mostly cloudy overcast skies once those low clouds do move in. Looks like after about 11 a.m. to 12 or noon, looks like those clouds should move in the area. Looking at the HRRR model for today into tomorrow, you can see those low clouds move in and a chance of some patchy drizzle or mist after about 5 to 6 p.m. This evening, and then overnight we'll just continue to see some low cloudiness and a much more upper level cloudiness moving in the region. Thursday looks like a partly to mostly cloudy day across the region. It will be mild, temperatures in the mid upper 50s, and generally a good day across the region for our Thursday. Taking a look at the European model here for the next few days, you can see that high pressure slides off the coast on Friday. That's going to give us a chance of some showers, especially Friday afternoon. Going with a low end chance this time, as model guidance isn't really too tightly in agreement with this, so going to cap the chances around 40% on Friday, but does look like a very good chance of seeing some rainfall on Friday night into Saturday morning with a cold front moving through and seeing those rain showers continue to move off the coast for Saturday afternoon. Sunday looks like a dry day across the region, high pressure builds in, and Monday very similar. Once we move into Tuesday next week, could see a warm front start to approach the region, giving us some more cloud cover and even a chance of rainfall. But overall, being several days out, we'll continue to monitor that. Looking at our risk chart for today, a high of 57 degrees for this morning into the afternoon hours, and a low tonight around 42 with some lighter winds. We'll see those northwesterly, northwesterly winds at 8 to 13 knots, gusts to 20 knots this morning into the early afternoon hours, then northerly at 7 to 12 knots, and between about here 4 p.m. or 1600 local until about midnight, we could see that patchy mist or drizzle in the region. Overnight, we'll just continue to see low clouds and temperatures in the 40s, as I mentioned. Looking at our terminal forecast for today, we'll see those VFR conditions this morning, and then once we move in the afternoon hours, we'll see ceilings 2,000 feet or below, and that'll continue through the overnight hours. And then we'll see, looks like a broken deck around 3,000 feet tomorrow morning, with some light northerly winds. Our tides are slightly below normal at this time. Look at Thursday and Friday. Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy, high 57. Thursday night, partly to mostly cloudy. Slight chance of patchy fog with light winds once again, a low of 43. And for Friday, mostly cloudy, overcast with a slight chance of an afternoon and evening light rain shower. We'll see a high of 58 degrees. So the next 7 days, looking at those temperatures in general in the mid to upper 50s. The next 7 days, overnight lows in general will be in the lower 40s to upper 30s. Warmest night will be Friday night into Saturday with a cold front moving through. That'll keep our overnight lows in the lower 50s. Saturday right now has trended a little bit warmer in the upper 50s. If that cold front is slower to get through the region, could be seeing those highs in the 60s on Saturday, but right now looks like a fairly rainy day across the region, and it will be breezier in the afternoon. Moving in the second half of the weekend, Sunday looks like a seasonable day across the region, mostly sunny skies, highs in the mid-50s, and then we'll see temperatures warming for Thanksgiving week for Monday into Tuesday. Temperatures in the upper 50s to possibly lower 60s by Tuesday before that cold front moves through. It looks like Tuesday into Wednesday with right now going with 30% chance of showers late Tuesday, but as I mentioned, being about 7 days out, we'll continue to monitor that forecast once we move towards those travel days before Thanksgiving. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.